So a bit of a mission happening here. I've got to take this whole deck up to get in and empty out the sewage. Bit of a painful process, but all marked. And got my gear on and my hat, which is going to be cool. Progress later. Anywhere you like. Just gotta make sure there's a piece. Yeah, getting through it. Set up a little template system. Don't think, hit monkey.
Well, once you get 2 or 3 up, you'll be able to put your legs down into the gap.
Oh, for a cramp.
And sit properly.
I can squat straight into the septic tank. If I get it to this point here, Taz, I can keep talking. If I get it to this point here, it means the nail is far enough down, and then I just put this underneath and pull this out. And that means that nail's all the way through. Notice that all these are numbered, otherwise we'll never get them back into the same place. And once you find out which way the guy's nailing, there, under, and pull that out. That's empty, so it's done.
Finished.
Done it. That's a good, yeah. So I had to inspect all of this, but there doesn't seem to be any pipes that I needed, so a couple of hours. Just put this back down and wait for the plumber to come out and check. Lucky it's sunshine. Here we go again. Like having a little project with a bit of NASCAR on. So under the carpet you can see the start of what I began yesterday, and we'll see what I've got to do today. Here is a piece that I just lifted completely off, so I'm going to just paint this section with a stain and leave it and cover it up with the mat. No problems.
A second a lap or a second and a half a lap, and then all of a sudden, instead of losing one spot,
no turning back now.
You sit there and wait. Bell might be there right with you in one lap.
And that's part of the science of road racing. Pick the place to pass where it's going to slow down your lap time the least for both you and the car you're passing.
So look at this now, Tess.
In this case, turn 1.
Come along.
Clint, I know that we talked about this during the break. We really thought Tyler Reddick would be one of the cars to beat this weekend. I think in the past,
be the one that stink up the show.
Yeah, but I think that shows you how good these guys are and how they go back and they study the driving information and everything that goes with why he was fast, and they get better. It's a constant evolution with everything that happens in the NASCAR
it's
Cup
matching
Series
the
garage,
color
from the drivers to the crew chiefs.
You know?
Totally agree. Now Ross Chastain is catching Reddick. He was a couple of tenths quicker that last lap, while AJ Allmendinger is about 3 seconds behind that group, Regan.
Well, Mike, this was a deal that came together very late for AJ Allmendinger. It was actually 3 weeks ago they decided to bring this car. Told me earlier today that they struggled in practice to get it perfect, just couldn't quite get it dialed in. But he's been pretty solid today, just a little bit off all day long. Josh?
Let's start with Chris Buescher. This is a race that he felt very confident coming into. Feels always confident on road courses. He's finished top 11 in the last 11. He's had a quiet day. Started from the back and worked his way up. As far as the 8 of Kyle Busch going into the race, Randall Burnett told me that this car was okay, but not good enough to win. They've had a loose car all day long. They have themselves
yeah, it's working.
10th finish, but not a winning car like they felt like. Regan,
14 to Chase Briscoe, having a solid day today. Yesterday in qualifying, a little bit of trouble, qualified 28. Team felt like it was a 10th to 15th place car today. That is exactly what he's doing right now, running in 10th, is optimizing the day. You got to do that throughout the stretch of a season, even if you don't have the best race car in every single day.
Justin Haley having a good day. He's hung around the top 10 all day long.
That's a fantastic knocking it out of the park day for that race team.
Martin Truex just went by for 11th, and here now is the race for 3rd. Christopher Bell continues to close on the leaders, but he can't waste a lot of time getting past Bowman if he's going to have a chance to run for the front.
Well, that's the last corner. He's going to be behind Alex Bowman because he's going to have a good shot to pass him right here. Well, I say that, and Alex Bowman drives away. It's just a matter of corners, though.
Still going to dive to the inside.
And he's got a pretty distinct tire advantage on Alex Bowman of 5 laps, which is, when you think about it, it's
a long ways here, right?
Over 15 miles for sure.
Brad Keselowski is coming to pit road.
Oh, that was kind of fun. It looks bloody good, actually. And we'll leave it for 12 hours and pop another coat on.
3 seconds back with 7 to go, but matching lap time.
Oh, looking pretty good.
Italian football team, the last UAE champions